Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you another video about diffusion, and this is a fall morning diffuse where you can add these oils and make your house smell like fall. So you can go ahead and use tangerine, and you can also use cinnamon and clove. So I'm just showing you right now how this diffuser work. First you just plug it in and press that front button and put your oil and your water in, and there you're off to go. Yeah, it's ready, just simple. And if you ever used the big one before, you can also go ahead and use just use your discretion and how much you want in the big one, because I have a big one outside in my landing, and what happened, I will use 10 to 15 drops of each, and that will give me a, because this diffuser that I have outside, it can run for 24 hours. So yeah, especially at winter time I need it to run, and yeah, especially bedtime and fall morning coming along and so forth. So don't forget to watch, there's another one coming behind this one. Just watch for this recipe as well, and I hope all is well, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's Ingrid Joy Aromas, and yeah, share with your family and friends, and send me a message. My email, I'm gonna be put my email there as well, so you can contact me if you have more information. And yeah, don't forget to like as well, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again to all my subscribers, not only the new ones but the old ones as well, that keep on watching these videos, because I've noticed that every time I put up a video or videos, you guys always supporting, watching. I've noticed too that you guys are not liking the videos. Please like them as well. Yeah, so let's go ahead and I'll show you this one. As you can see, this lavender is not working no matter how I try. So I have one on the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one as well to see if it will work. I'm pretty sure it will work as I take out the top part from it. And so I'm gonna show you also, when I had this oil to this diffuser, you can see it's not much oil in it, and I'm gonna show you how to add it. Also, make sure you don't fill up this diffuser, because when it starts to bubble, it's gonna be bubble and make a big mess, guys. So that's what you don't want to be doing. You don't want to be, make it overflow, because overflow, then you're gonna have spillage everywhere. So yeah, stay tuned for the other video that's behind this one, and I will show you again another recipe and how you can get this recipe on the other side of it. All right, thanks guys. So as you can see right now, I have up the other recipe, and the same process. I'm just showing you, instead of me showing you again how to diffuse, how to use the diffuser and stuff like that all over again. What I'm showing you right now is just more like a recipe.
Apologies for that, we're having some audio issues there. That was Stephen Dujarric, the spokesman for the UN Secretary General. We'll come back.
So I hope you like this recipe. I hope what you like what you see. Be blessed, everyone. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Come back tomorrow for another video that I wanted to show you.